Today we're going to show you how to access premium color grading presets in Photoshop to make your images stunning. Hey there, welcome to Phlearn. My name is Aaron Nace, and today we're going to show you my favorite way to access color grading presets in Photoshop. To do this, we're going to be using Adobe Camera Raw. It's super easy to do it. Let's jump in. So the first thing we want to do is make our image a smart object. So make sure you have your background layer selected. We're going to go to Layer, down to Smart Objects, and over to Convert to Smart Object. There we go. You can see we have a smart object icon. This way I can change these settings at any time. All right, next we're gonna go to Filter right up there at the top, and we're gonna go to Camera Raw Filter. Fantastic. Now within the Camera Raw filter, we actually have presets that are located here on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and open those up. Now there are a ton of interesting presets that you can do. Some of these will actually work with your portrait. So if you wanna go ahead and enhance the portraits, there we go. You can kind of click through some of these. Polish portrait, it actually identifies your subject and changes that. But what we want to do are these presets right down here at the bottom. All you see where it says seasons and styles, all of these are going to give us beautiful colors. They're super easy to do. So let's go ahead and open up Cinematic. Simply all you have to do is hover over each one of these presets until you find something that you like. And more presets are located here than anywhere else in Photoshop. So if you find one that you like, there we go. Let's continue to kind of click through them. Ooh, I like this one. That looks really good. The cool thing here is all the way up here at the top where you have the preset, you can just click and drag to the left and the right to make this more or less of an effect. So anything that you have, this is such a great place to get started, because oftentimes with color toning in your images, you don't maybe know exactly what you want, but you do know you want some interesting color there. All right, well, going down through these, I think I like, that one looks good. Let's just maybe make it a little bit more subtle. Super easy to do. Now, the great thing here is we're just gonna hit OK on the bottom right-hand side. Boom, that applies this as a smart filter. And here we can see we have our Camera Raw filter. So I can just turn this off and on at any time. That's all there is to my color grading. Now, let's say I want to change this color grading at any time. I can just double click right here where it says Camera Raw Filter. Let's double click right there. Boom, we're back into our Adobe Camera Raw filter. We're going to go to our presets right over here at the very right-hand side. And then I can just click on any one of a different ones. So let's say, yep, you know what? I want this kind of like green looking one. Maybe we just adjust that just a little bit and hit OK. And there we go. We have a completely color graded image in just a few minutes. Just be sure to change your layers to a smart object first. That's going to allow you to get back into Camera Raw to apply these presets and change them at any time. So if you want to try color grading in Photoshop, this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. And of course, you can add additional filters to this as you'd like. Thanks so much for watching today's video. You can download the sample image totally free so you can follow along. Just click on the link right down below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to get more free Photoshop tutorials, simply click on subscribe. Thanks again, and I will Phlearn you later. Bye everyone.